In this video, we will show you how to track out our refined systems. Pictured here is the layout that we will be mocking up during this demonstration. For our ceiling track, we start by setting up our laser to be either centerline of the soffit or flush to the hall side. In this case, we will be centerline of soffit. We can then move on to installing our 2-inch wide ceiling track, the side profile of which is pictured here. Begin by locating the pre-drilled holes directly center of the ceiling track. Then, lift the ceiling track up, confirm that the pre-drilled center hole is hitting the center line of the soffit, and begin drilling your Infinium provided 2-inch drywall screws into the holes. Before moving on to installing your flush start and wall start, it is important to finish installing all parts of your ceiling track to ensure the ceiling track runs continuously from edge to edge. The next step in the process of tracking out is to install our flush starts and our wall starts. Begin by standing the wall start upright and visually check to make sure that the top center of the wall start is in line with the center of the ceiling track. For your wall start, you will have one line of pre-drilled screw holes running down the center. To verify that the wall start is plumb at a 90-degree angle in all directions, position the laser and move the bottom of your wall start around if needed until the laser is hitting all screw holes in the center. Begin drilling the Infinium provided 2-inch drywall screws into the pre-drilled holes of your wall start, starting on the outside and working your way to the center hole. Now, we'll install the flush start on the left-hand side of the screen, which will follow a very similar installation process as the wall start. The flush start has a larger 4-inch diameter than the wall start, so unlike our wall start, our flush start has 2 sets of screw holes running vertically along its length. To verify that the flush start is plumb, hold up a ruler to the flush start and confirm that the laser hits 2 inches center on the flush start at all points along the length. Now, you can proceed to drill the Infinium provided 2-inch drywall screws into the pre-drilled holes of your flush start, beginning on the outside and working your way to the center hole. For both the flush start and the wall start, once you have your first few screws drilled in, you should reposition the laser so that it's pointing to the outer edge of the trim. At the end of the tracking out process, your laser should be plumb top to bottom along the side of the trim.